Is it possible to split an entire 52 card deck in half with a shotgun? Today we're going to find out.
Alright guys, we're going to try something a little different today that Jeff and I have not seen anyone do. You've seen like 22 Plinksters split a card with a 22. He's got a very small margin of error because of the diameter of the 22 and the thickness of the card. We're going to step it up one and see if we can split a deck with a slug.
The entire deck.
And there again, our margin of error is very small.
Yeah, it's just like a 1/16 of an inch wider than the cards.
We're going to give it a try and see if maybe this will be a first.
Yeah, it'd be neat. I'm telling you, it'd be really neat. And will it go all the way through? If you do hit it, will the slug go halfway through because of the resistance and stop, or go all the way through? That's the $1,000,000 question. Okay.
All right, let's see what we can do.
What shotgun are you using?
This is the Mossberg full rifled barrel, 28-inch fully rifled. Federal rifled slugs, 1 ounce.
A lot of people say you can't shoot rifled slugs out of a rifled barrel.
Yeah.
What's the downside?
A little bit of lead.
It fouls the barrel. Yeah.
That's about it.
We're using this because it has a thicker barrel. You don't have to deal with so much barrel or harmonics. You know, it takes a little bit of that out of it.
The barrel doesn't do the hula.
Yeah, a thinner shotgun barrel, a field barrel, flexes quite a bit with a heavy slug, and I think a rifle shotgun is more accurate because of the thicker barrel. Gives you a little closer to rifle-like accuracy and less like a shotgun accuracy. Well, he's gonna take that shot. Will he be able to do it?
First attempt.
Okay, I'm ready. Holy crap!
Well, shot number 1 was a little bit low, but the windage was right on. The slug went right through the center of the little vise. It still cut the cards in half, but we're not going to count that one.
We messed up our clamp, but he hit it right in the center though. Let's try it one more time.
Okay, here we go.
All right. Yikes! I don't see any whole cards.
Well, we had to switch to the spring clamp because our little vise was broken. Still, didn't really need that extra weight of that vise to create enough resistance for that slug to still plow right through it. And he nailed it on that shot. Now, we only brought out 3 decks of cards because that's all we had. But, you know, when you only have 3 chances, that really narrows it down. Plus, you got to make sure all your camera shots are good too. Let's see if you can do it one more time, though.
Okay. Whatever, take your time. I'm ready when you are.
All right.
Jerry Mule Liquor.
Now notice how little barrel flex there is on this rifled barrel. That's the ticket. And much to our amazement, Danny nailed it again, right in the center. Now the first high-speed camera shots were filmed at 8,800 frames a second, and this is around 17,000 frames a second. I wanted to get more detail on that shot. Now I searched around looking for people cutting an entire deck of cards in half, never found anything. So hopefully this is a first, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it.
Well, how was that a difficult shot?
I wouldn't say it was difficult, but you got to be pretty precise.
Yeah, it was only, how far away were 5 yards or something?
About 5.
Yeah, not very far.
Yeah.
But he's doing it with a shotgun. It's not a precision rifle. It's not even a 22 is more precise than a shotgun. But yeah, not the cleanest cuts in the world.
Nah, it's plowing through there.
Just to give you an idea, those are the better ones.
And we did not find one solid card. So
yeah,
it cut them off.
That's amazing. I've never seen that before, and I've always wanted to see it, you know? Always want, you know, it's like, how come no one's cut an entire deck in half? Even with, you can't even do that with a 50 cal. A 50 cal is too small.
Yeah.
You can only do it with something at least 12 gauge. I think a 20 gauge would be too narrow.
You might get it with a 20 millimeter.
20 millimeter cannon, maybe. yeah.
Now it's got to be at least as wide as
Okay, Edwin Sarkisian. Good luck with that.
I'm ready.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting and rating the video. Good or bad, it all helps. And thank you, Patrons, for keeping our channel alive. See you next time.